how to disable multi-factor authentication on Discord. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Discord app right here. And once you are now here on your Discord app, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then you will see this profile icon. So just click your profile icon right there, and then you should be redirected into your profile section. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to click the settings icon on the upper right corner of the screen. So just click that. And then after that, look for the account, which is right here in this part. So just click that also. Now, once you click that, all you have to do is to scroll down until you see this Remove Authenticator app. So in this, how you sign in into your account, you should be able to see all of the factor authentication that you have enabled on your Discord. So it could be an SMS authentication, backup codes, security keys, and so on. But in my case, I have enabled my Authenticator app authentication on my Discord. So all you have to do if you want to remove it is to just click it. So click the Remove Authenticator app right here, and then just click OK. After you click that, just verify with your Authenticator app. So just go on that, and then after that, as you can see, we now have disabled the Authenticator app on our Discord. So that is basically it. That is how to disable multi-factor authentication on Discord.